There's a moment in every industry where the old model still works, but you can feel it slipping. Land is at that moment right now. Cold calling isn't dead, it's just losing to something that moves faster, learns faster, and compounds faster. My name's Brandon Parker, founder of Land AI. I've made over 10 million cold calls, and the teams working with us did over 20 million in land deals last year. And here's what I can tell you with absolute clarity: 2026 is the year that AI qualification becomes the operating standard in land. Not a nice to have, not an experiment, not the future, the standard. And the operators who adopt early, they don't just get an advantage, they take ground that late adopters might never get back. They build cleaner data, they get sharper pricing signals, they identify real sellers faster, they stack compounding insights, they claim counties first, and the system keeps improving without them lifting a finger. Meanwhile, the operators who delay end up drowning in technical debt they don't even realize they're carrying. Caller drift, bad notes, follow up gaps, broken automations, clogged CRMs, inconsistent routing, and the deal flow that gets noisier every month. The shift isn't coming someday, it's happening now. And in 2026, the gap between AI qualified operators and everyone else isn't going to be just noticeable, it's going to be really hard to close. So the real question isn't, does AI work? You already know it works. The question is, how much ground are you willing to give up to the operators who move first? If you want to hop on a call with me, sift through what this might look like with your business, I can give you a very low impact, low pressure call. Look through your business. I've seen hundreds of land businesses at this point, and I love talking about land. Happy to have a call with you and talk business.